go ahead.
This is Foxy and her litter. Say hi, Foxy. Turn around, everybody can see how pretty you are. Look at
He
me.
says, I'm a lover. I look like a little fox, just like when I was a baby. That's why I was named Foxy.
Her ears always have this kink right in the middle. Here's her beautiful puppies. 5 boys. Look at me. I'm beautiful, chocolate and white and tan eyebrows
flashy
and
marketing.
tan cheeks and
Chocolate.
little
Ooh,
white tippy tip on the tail, 4 white feet, legs. I was sleeping so good.
yeah, they're all napping. We're waking them up.
Got a little collar, half collar going around his neck. Wake up, little puppy. Oh, they're all sleeping hard.
Oh.
Come here. Gotta wake you guys up. He's a beautiful little boy. I was sleeping so good.
Yeah.
He's got kind of red on the forehead.
Yeah. Be a red or chocolate sable.
Some darker ears at the tip.
Yeah. See, his nose is chocolate.
They're all kind of looking like short coats with thick fur, sort of like her. Come here, you. Time to wake up. Almost a carbon copy of the other one.
Uh-huh. Of the chocolate
A
except.
little bit darker
Yeah.
face and mask. A little red on the head. Hi. Today they just got let loose out of their tub.
Yep.
We don't have a webcam on these. I have to take a couple days to get it up and running again. Come here, you. Look at me. Kind of same color scheme, just not quite as dark.
Yeah.
Funny how they all picked up the darker tip on the ears.
Uh-huh.
I'm just sleeping. Can't believe you woke me up for this. Here's the smallest boy.
He's a cutie.
He weighed 2.3 ounces at birth. Little thing.
Little scrapper though. He's done really good.
Snapped back real well. Definitely going to be smaller than the others. I'm little. And I'm sleeping. We're all just sleeping.
They had all their excitement this morning. And they need to rest now. They need to rest. I see your little baby faces down there. Yes, I do. I see you. Look at me. I see you. Here.
What do you think of that, Foxy?
Let's show everybody your pretty faces. He says, no. No, I don't want to. What's that? Oh, that's a camera. Your big old nose in there.
Might have smeared it. Did you get your nose in the camera? Did you get your nose in the camera? Oh my goodness.
You see what a wonderful temperament Foxy has on her. She's really a lover. Most all our moms and dads are very sweet and very loving. This is what we're making your pets from, are these type of personalities. Non-aggressive, submissive, lovely, friendly, healthy. Yes, he loves his daddy.
He loves me. You love your daddy, don't you?
Yes, he loves
goodness.
daddy.
Oh, he gets to chow down exclusively. Dinner for one.
Gotta get a snack.
Dinner for one. You rub your belly. Get your rubbing of your belly. Yeah.
So here they are. They'll be listed here in another couple of weeks. You can come and see them in person if you like and place a deposit if you're interested.